In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password on WordPress.com. This process is simple, making it perfect for beginners or anyone unfamiliar with the steps involved. So if you've forgotten your password or want to change it for security reasons, let's dive right in. First, let's navigate to the WordPress.com login page. Open your web browser and enter the URL for WordPress.com. Once you're there, you should see the familiar login screen. If you're wondering where exactly to find the link, rest assured, it's easy to spot on the site's homepage. Now take a look below the boxes where you typically enter your username and password. You'll see a small link that says "Lost your password?" Click on that link, and it will lead you to an important next step in the password recovery process. On this page, you will be asked to enter the email address associated with your WordPress account. This is an essential step, as WordPress will use this email to send you the instructions for resetting your password. Make sure to type in the correct email address, as this ensures the reset instructions will be sent to the right place. Once you've entered your email, look for the Reset My Password button on the page and click it. This action sends a password reset request to WordPress, which will then initiate the password recovery process.